Good morning, everybody. It is about 3 degrees below zero right now, and we're headed out to milk a cow. Let's milk in here. You ready to be milked? I know your boy's ready to get back with you. Alright, first things first is to get this heater going. And set my hot water and rags. Coconut oil down in there. So I don't feed her. Oh, let's shut this door too. That'll keep any breeze out. I don't know what the wind chill is, but it's cold. Nellie, are you going to come up here? In order to get her on the stanchion, I have to give her just a little bit. There you go. Ruby, yours is next. I'm going to milk right now. And then we'll feed.